Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going Reading. Reading is the biggest city in the UK. It's very massive city. So you can go out, you can shopping. It's very big shopping mall there. So guys, I'm taking today Jasmin there. So George and Annal is not with us. So let's go. Guys, we reached in the Basingstoke Mall. We're going to buy the lunch first. So we are going Sainsbury or Greggs first. So guys, this is our lunch. Brown pita and some kebabs and salads and the chips are healthy. So guys, we are in a train station now. We're going to catch the train from here to Reading. So guys, we reached the Reading train station. So we are going out now, big town. So guys, we are entering the main town in the Reading. Then we going shopping mall. So guys, this is the Reading big shopping center. So guys, we've been the shopping center inside, but we are not allowed to recording. So unfortunately, we didn't record the inside the shopping center. They said it's a private, so we can't take any pictures or make any videos. So now we are going for our dinner. We've been here at least 2 hours already. It's 7:30 evening and look at the weather, it's still very good, still sunny. Take pictures. So guys, we are going Nepali restaurant today. It's very nice. We've been here a few times. We really like it. So guys, we are showing what we're going to have. So this is the menu. So guys, this is our starter. This is Nepali starters. This is the Nepali food starters. This is aloo salad, and it's called, what is called this one? Rice ball. And lamb, fried lamb, and it's called patmas. So guys, we are having the momo soup. This is very spicy, and just we're having a little bit less spicy. So guys, we finished our dinner. Now we're going back Basingstoke to my sister's house. So we are already in a train station. You can see this is a train station. So guys, we are back Basingstoke now, so we are waiting another bus to go home. So guys, hopefully you liked our video. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, everyone, take care. Bye bye.